A Kansas City artist will have his artwork hanging in one of the most secure buildings in the world very soon. Chester Thompson III is a former Marine and served in the Army Reserve. His drawing, called Farmer's Market, that you see pictured here, is going to go on display at the Pentagon later this year. It's based on a photograph that he took.
Me and my wife plan to travel to Washington mid-September, and I've been in contact even with Representative Cleaver's office, and he plans to meet me there.
And maybe have an opportunity to see it hanging in the Pentagon live in person. Artwork from 400 artists across the country will have their work displayed starting on May 8th, and it's going to stay up for a year.